OpenClaw just dropped version 3.13. And honestly, this changes everything because AI agents can now log into your actual accounts, browse your real websites, and do real tasks while you sleep. I'm going to break down every single update and show you exactly how to use this to grow a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's go. Real quick for anyone new. OpenClaw is a free AI agent platform. You run it on your own computer, and it acts like a personal AI assistant that actually does stuff, not just chat, actually does things. It can browse websites, write code, manage files, send messages on Telegram, Discord, Slack, and iMessage, and automate tasks you do every single day. It works with GPT, Gemini, Claude, and local AI models you run on your own machine. It's powerful, it's free, and 3.13 just made it way better. Super simple, open OpenClaw, type update, done. It restarts itself, installs everything, no downloads, no setup. Within a few minutes, you're on 3.115. Now, let's get into the good stuff. This is the one. Before 3.13, OpenClaw used a separate browser, a fake one basically. It couldn't log into anything. It had no accounts, no passwords, nothing. So if you said, check my email, it couldn't because it wasn't logged in. That's all gone now. In 3.13, OpenClaw connects to your actual Chrome browser, the one you're already using, the one where you're already logged in. That means the AI can now access your real accounts, your real dashboards, your real tools. Think about what that means for running a business. You could say, go to our AI Profit Boardroom dashboard, check how many new members joined this week, find anyone who hasn't logged in yet and send them a welcome message. And it just does it inside your real browser with your real account. Or you say, go to our email list, find everyone who signed up in the last 7 days and export their names and emails, done automatically. This is the future of AI automation, and it's here right now. Quick pause. If you're using AI tools like OpenClaw to grow your business, you need to be inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Is where we show you exactly how to set up AI agents, how to automate your content, your outreach, your customer follow-ups, everything. We use tools like OpenClaw to run real automations for real businesses, and inside the boardroom, we break it all down step by step. If you want to stop doing everything manually and let AI handle the repetitive stuff, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you need to be. Link is in the description. Now back to the update. OpenClaw now has 2 built-in browser profiles. Profile 1 is called User Browser. This connects to your actual Chrome window, the one open on your screen right now. Profile 2 is Chrome Relay, which is a smoother connection method, better for automation and better for speed. OpenClaw picks the best one automatically, and you don't have to configure anything. Here's why this matters for something like the AI Profit Boardroom. Say you want to grow your community. You could say, open our community platform, find every post with 0 replies, and reply to each one with something helpful. OpenClaw does it in your real browser with your real account. That's real engagement on autopilot. This one's less flashy, but super important. Before 3.13, if something broke mid-task, the agent crashed, stopped, and did nothing. Now it handles errors properly, it detects what went wrong, tries to recover, and keeps going. For longer automations, this is huge. If you're running a task with 20 steps and step 7 hits a weird error, the old version would die. The new version works through it, more reliability, fewer failures, better results. The Android app got a full redesign, cleaner layout, better settings, less clutter. They separated device settings from media settings. The Connect tab and Voice tab both got cleaned up, and the chat view is more compact and easier to read. If you manage AI Profit Boardroom stuff on your phone, this matters. You can now check on your agents, review tasks, and make changes way faster than before. iPhone users got a new onboarding screen. Before, when you first opened the app, it just dumped you into setup with no explanation, which was pretty confusing. Now there's a proper welcome screen with step-by-step instructions, and you can pair your device manually with a QR code. Much easier for new users if you're ever onboarding someone into an AI setup and they're using iPhone. This makes the first experience way smoother. This next bit covers 3 quick but important fixes. If you run OpenClaw in Docker, there was a bug where the container used the server's time zone instead of your local one. That caused wrong timestamps, broken schedules, and confusing logs. Now you can set the time zone yourself with one environment variable called OpenClaw. Set it once and everything lines up. If you're running scheduled AI tasks, like posting to the AI Profit Boardroom every morning at 9 a.m., this fix makes sure it actually posts at 9 a.m. and not 2 a.m. Windows users also got a big win. The gateway was freezing, status updates were wrong, and the whole thing felt unstable, all fixed in 3.13. Smoother, more stable, no more random freezes. And for local AI models, there's a new privacy improvement that's really interesting. Some local models have a reasoning process where the AI thinks through the problem before answering. Before 3.13, that internal thinking sometimes showed up in the response and could accidentally expose your system prompt or private instructions. Now that internal reasoning is hidden, the AI still thinks through everything, but you only see the clean final answer. For any business using custom AI instructions, this is a huge privacy win. Here's everything in 3.13 in one place. Live Chrome session integration is the biggest one. Your AI can now use your real logged in browser, 2 new browser profiles with automatic selection, better error handling, so agents recover instead of crashing. Android app redesigned to be cleaner and faster. iOS onboarding improved and easier for new users. Docker time zone fix so scheduled tasks work correctly. Windows gateway fix with no more freezing. Local model privacy improved so internal reasoning stays hidden. Plus Telegram, Slack, and Discord fixes, and general bug fixes across the board. That's a massive update for a free tool. All right, that's OpenClaw 3.13. If this got you excited about AI automation, here's what to do next. Join the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where we go deep on tools like this with real automations, real use cases, and showing you how to use AI to grow your business, save time, and work smarter. We use OpenClaw, we use agents, we use all of it, and we show you how step by step. Link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab, our free AI community. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are absolutely crushing it with AI. See you inside.